West Coast and we are in Greymouth. And I'm cooking stroganoff, one of my dad's favourite meals and one of Dazzy's favourite meals. Super quick, takes like 20 minutes, 25 minutes and pretty cheap. So the beef obviously is the most expensive part. It cost $8 stir fry beef, so it's pretty quick. Pasta was less than $1. You've got mushrooms was a couple of dollars, sour cream was a couple of dollars, onions which we already have. I really wish someone would invent a way to record smells because this is probably one of the best smells in the world. We have garlic, butter, mushroom and onion. Sauteed, don't fry them, then you just go kind of like soft. Sauteed, is that the right word? Does that sound professional? Sauteed. Sauteed. I don't like mushrooms, but I like mushrooms in stroganoff and you can't really have stroganoff without mushrooms, so I've just got to grin and bear it. As a guide, I've kind of put on the pasta at the same time to maybe hope that the beef will take about the same amount of time as the pasta. Kind of pasta, rice, noodles, generous dollop of sour cream. I read as well that you can't use double cream. We're using sour cream. I think it's the traditional one. Obviously, such a slim and world friendly meal. We've got sour cream, we've got butter, we've got white pasta. I mean, there's practically no sins involved. Looks yum! Don't put your heat on too high because if it starts to boil then your beef is going to go really chewy. So keep it on quite a low heat. Once you've added in the cream, obviously taste it if you need more paprika, more salt and pepper, more parsley. Good job, calories don't count on a Friday. Woohoo! Woohoo! So it cost under £10, took 25 minutes. Hopefully it tastes good. As usual, I always make enough for a small family / the campsite. This is how much leftover stroganoff we still have. We did add some more sour cream, some more paprika, and this time we had red wine to add in.
Yeah, so we're in the shop today, New World. And I was walking past and I recognised the label. And I was like, Arrogant Frog, how do I recognise that label? I remembered that we bought it in Iceland. So in Iceland it costs around the equivalent of £47. Was like the most expensive bottle of wine I've ever bought in a restaurant. Today I paid around £6.50. Well, that's one way to be disheartened. Never mind, this arrogant frog is getting drunk regardless.
Yeah.
Want me to taste it? It'll taste exactly the same as yesterday. Wait, I'll take the bit of beef. It's what you call super slow cooked beef. It's been in the fridge for a day now. Cooking.